That's all I want out of this. You'll come too.
Me?
If you lie.
Oh.
Well, you know what to do.
Sure, I know what to do.
Not that, you fool. I'll do the talking.
What did you say your name was, the actor?
Albany? Jack Albany. Look, punk, didn't you ever...
Boy, you dirty wop.
I figured that.
Here's the knife to do it with.
I don't want you to get Joe Murray cheating!
Well, let's see. $3.50.
Sold.
What are you, crud chicken?
Don't call me that!
I come not with peace, but with a sword.
You, preacher?
You know what that is? Want to see something cute? Now, looky. You could save him, little bird.
It's not my dog!
So am I.
Oh, Mr. Frog, there's passport too.
Hold it, Jerry. All right, easy, Jerry, relax.
Now, are you trying to tell me that this knife really fell through a hole in the boy's pocket?
Well, he'd never use it like this. See, you lose too much time switching hands.
Family scraped the barrel after the war wiped them out just to send you through dental school.
I think I want to give you a little gift.
Really? What is it?
This. Oh. Oh, you brought your father.
All right, young man, you may enter.
I'm cutting and killing, killing and cutting. Anything that gets in my way.
Who's there?
Captain McCarthy.
I've been looking all over for it.
I stole it from you.
And I believe in an eye for an eye.
This is it, buddy. This is the big get-even day.
You interest me, Ringer.
Thank you, sir.